Hello everyone, how are you? I just got back from the nail salon. I got a mani and a pedi. It was much needed, and I think I, not on purpose, chose the same exact color I had last time, but I liked it, so that's okay. But anyways, when I got home, I checked my mailbox and I received my Ipsy finally. I feel like it just keeps coming like later and later each month. So today is what, the 19th or the 20th? Let me look. It's the 19th. So I did add something on. I like cashed in some points, some of my Ipsy points for a sample. I can't even remember what I chose. And I have heard that that makes it come about 3 days later on average. So I think that makes sense. But usually like when I was first getting Ipsy, it was coming around like the 12th of the month and like the 15th. And now it's almost the 20th of the month. So I don't know. Usually Ipsy is so good though that I can't really complain that I'm one of the last people to get it. If you do not know, Ipsy is only $10 a month and you get sample size and sometimes even some full size items. And it always comes in a cute bag and it is based on a beauty profile, which is super awesome. So because of that, it really tends to be awesome because you tell them what you want. And they even updated their beauty quiz. So if you have not yet checked, go online and update your beauty quiz because there's so many more questions. You can like say whether or not you want certain things, like you can say like rarely, sometimes, or often for every single category, like seriously every category. So I definitely updated that. So I think that's gonna be for the next box or bag. Oh, the bag this month is cute. So this is what it looks like. Little kisses all over it. This is like one of my favorites. I really like it. And then it says like Ipsy up here. Oh, I remember what I got as my add-on. And one of my items is actually out of the bag, so it's too big. But first, I'll show you this card, which is different. I've seen other people get this in the past, but I never did. It actually talks about my products on it. But on the front, it says, swoon so hard. There's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip for more on those. Let us introduce you to your next beauty crush, Ipsy add-ons. And it tells you, I think we heard this last time, or they wrote this on the card last time, but in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples for $3 each. So that's awesome, you can add that on. But warning, it may make your bag come a little bit later. I think if you spend more money, you should get it sooner, but that's just me. And it says, they'll keep things fresh with 30 or more new add-on products every single month from all brands you love, like Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, Smashbox, and more. You'll never run out things to try and get free shipping on add-ons always. Be on the lookout for an email at the beginning of the month and be sure to act fast. Once we run out, they're gone. Is your heart racing yet? And then on the back it says, this month express your unique beauty with ... This is seriously the first time I got a card. I've seen other people get this before, but this is the first time I've gotten a card that says all of my items on it. I usually just get like the generic card in mine. So I go online to get more information. If you didn't know that, you can go on Ipsy and it'll give you like tips and tricks on all the items you got and you can get all the information there. But anyways, let's get unbagging. I'm like a rambling person right now. I did just pour a glass of wine, but I only had like 2 sips so far. It is 5 p.m. so don't judge me. Apparently yesterday was National Wine Day and I didn't really know until super late, but I did have like 1 glass, so I guess I celebrated. But I'll tell you what I added on. So I have all these points for Ipsy. Like if you review things, you get some points and then you could turn it in for, or exchange the points for stuff like this. So this is a Make lip gloss and it's in Victoria Plum, and I thought this color looked so pretty and I just kind of wanted to redeem my points and actually test to see if it comes later, and I think it does. So that is the little applicator. I'm gonna swatch it. And it is as pretty as I was hoping. It's like a dusty rose. It's like a gloss. If I didn't say that, I can't remember. Isn't that pretty? So that's an add-on. And then my item that came outside of the bag, I'm really excited about. You know I love brushes. This is by Moda. I have a few Moda brushes. I think I received them in a past Try Beauty box. But I haven't received, that was probably at least 6 months ago. I like this. It's like kind of ribbed or has ridges. What is the word for that? But I think this is a highlighter brush. This is the BMX 265 Glow. I really like how it feels. It's super cool. So there's that. So this is the Royal and Langnickel Moda Pro Glow Brush. Moda is known for creating stylish on-trend brushes with waterproof silk textured handles It is textured, it's so cool. So they last like ever. This one's so good for applying highlighter and contour products right where you need them. And the bristle is so soft. Bonus, it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Tip, dab your brush into highlighter and swipe it wherever you want to glow, like your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, cupid bows, and chin. I'm so excited to get a brush that's not just an eyeshadow brush. I feel like that's pretty much what I've been getting in my Ipsy bag, so I'm super excited about that. And two of my cats just crept in here. I thought I closed the door because they've been naughty, so you might hear them in a second. Hi, babies. They're really happy I just got home. But anyways, yeah, so excited to get this. This like makes the bag for me. And inside here we've got several goodies. I'm just gonna pour them out and do one at a time. Let's do this one first. This looks cute. This is Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster by Seraphine Botanicals. It's wrapped in some bubble wrap. So I think this is a highlighter. Look how cute this packaging is. Is that focusing? Like I said, it's like 5 p.m. and you know, it's like winter, so it gets a little dark at night. I mean, there's still some sun out, but sorry if my lighting isn't as good as it was earlier today when I filmed. If you find any kind of plastic on the ground. Yeah, this is a good size. I would say this is like a full-size product. Oh, sorry, there's a mirror. Let's see that. I'll swatch it for you. So this is like a pink champagne color. What color is this? It's in Daisy and Pearl. That's the color. Oh, it feels really soft. But this seriously is like a full-size item, right? Like this is bigger than a sample. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a champagne color. I have so many highlighters, but I'm excited to try this with the new brush. That is super pretty. I hope you can see it well. One second, I'm gonna make sure this is... Okay, I think the focus should be better now. It's kind of off center, but I'm excited to try this. So, I don't know if I've had anything from this company before, but I think their packaging is super cute. And it says on here, not tested on animals, vegan, gluten-free, GMO-free. So all that is awesome. So it says Seraphine, sorry if I'm saying that wrong, products are made from plant-based, fair trade, sustainably sourced ingredients. This highly pigmented highlighter is made with natural daisy flower extract and a jojoba seed oil to nourish and hydrate skin. Plus, micronized luminizing pigments give you a natural looking glow. Tip, use a highlighter brush. Got one. To swipe highlighter onto the high points of your face, like your temples, cheekbones, bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, and chin. So I already put on my highlighter that I got in my BoxyCharm today, but that was hours ago. I love how there's a mirror in this, by the way. I don't think I commented on that. Ooh, pretty. I think I like this brush. My other one's bigger than this. I like this. Oh my god, I have like mascara all under my eyes. Sorry, I look like a hot mess. It's literally super hot here. It's like 91 degrees, so I was sweating a little bit, and I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara, so that does transfer, if you guys didn't know. So I like this. Can you tell? Sometimes, like, when I'm in person, it looks better than on camera. But, okay, moving on. Oh my god, this is so cute. This looks like a little lippy. This is by Sugar. It's a Pout Time Vivid Lipstick Mini. And this is in 09 Better Call Salmon. So look at that cute packaging. Isn't that cute? What are you guys doing? Being naughty. Oh, I like this. It's like, it's super cute, and it says the name on the packaging too. This is a pretty good size for a mini lipstick. Like, I don't even think I've ever finished a mini lipstick before. But that is that. Let me swipe it or swatch it. Ooh, I like this a lot. It swatches a little bit lighter than it looks, which is a good thing, I think. Isn't that pretty? I'm super excited about this. I love Ipsy so much. $10 a month, totally worth it. Sugar Cosmetics are all about bold statement-making products that make you feel stunning in a snap. This peachy pink color is full of moisture for a matte shade. Enriched with micronized pigments and silica microbeads, it glides on easy and stays put, plus it's paraben-free. Tip, start with a swipe of lip balm to get your gloss. Did you sneeze? Bless you. But start with a swipe of lip balm to get your lips smooth. Swipe on a coat of lip color, blot lips on a clean tissue, and repeat. I mean, it went on fine without lip balm, but I'll try that. So every item so far I'm super happy with. Let's see what this is. I think this is an eyeshadow. They wrapped everything really well, like anything breakable and bubble wrap. Do you want some bubble wrap? Oh man, and there's plastic. Okay. Oh good, that wasn't too much of a struggle. This is by Meech and Mia, pressed eyeshadow in Taupe. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand or tried them, so that's cool. I like how Ipsy has some indie brands in it, not just all mainstream, but they still have mainstream brands too. Oh, this is a pretty taupe. And that is like a full-size shadow. Ooh, it feels so soft. Okay, I'm like running out of room. Let's put it down here. This would be a great transition color, I think. Or just all over your lid, like when you're in a hurry. It's on the bottom of my hand, right there. So it says, a brand that's always on trend and affordable, what's not to love? This matte finish mauve pink eyeshadow looks chic from day to night, and it's so good for adding subtle depth and definition to your neutral eye looks. Tip, using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, apply it to your crease and blend. Awesome, I'm excited to try this out. This is like seriously a color I will use, you know, that's, sometimes you get like crazy colors in subscriptions. I know this is a color I actually will reach for. All right, and then last but not least, we have Multi-X Repair Cream. This is by Lab For You. I don't think I've heard of this brand either. So this is a Multi-X Repair Cream. It helps restore and repair dry and irritated skin. Apply throughout the face and neck until fully absorbed. It has a professional repair formula, anti-wrinkle and brightening, daily calming moisturizer. Dermatology tested. So this smooths, repairs, and hydrates. So this will be good to use when you have really dry skin day, which, I mean, it's winter, so a lot of people do. There's a safety seal. Does anyone else like want to break out into Abadab song when you have a safety seal? I do. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit out. It's a squeezy too, I like that. Ooh, this does really feel moisturizing, but not too heavy. So that's good because it's going on your face. See, there's a scent. There's like a barely there scent that's just like, you know, the skincare type scent, but not in a bad way. So let's see what it says. This brand was created by derms and experts in aesthetics who know how to deal with all skin types. This rich cream instantly calms and drenches skin with moisture, even the most sensitive. Acne prone, it's also infused with witch hazel to help fight breakouts. That's awesome, because I definitely break out very easily, unfortunately. At my age, you should not have wrinkles and acne, not fair. It says tip, for longer lasting makeup, wash and pat your skin dry, then apply this cream. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for this moisturizer to fully absorb, and then apply foundation and makeup as usual. Awesome. I always try and give my moisturizer some time to sink in, along with my oil too. So A+ for this month, right? Okay, so the bag I think is really cute. I like my add-on, but that doesn't count towards the overall feeling of this bag. I love this brush. I'm so glad it isn't just another eyeshadow brush. And then the lippy is so cute. Oh, and the full size, I'm pretty sure, highlighter. This is so pretty. I really like it. And I like the color eyeshadow I got too. This is like an everyday taupe color. And I don't really need any more face lotions, but I'm happy to try this, especially like if I have really dry skin. Like I was just on a few flights recently and I feel like my skin is drier than usual, so I'll probably use this tonight. So I'm happy to have it. But yeah, overall, I'm very happy with this box. So what did you guys get? Did you get any of the same things as me? I actually haven't watched anyone else's Ipsy videos, and I know a lot of people switched to Ipsy Plus. I still haven't gotten that. I haven't even gotten the option to be on the waiting list. I have not harassed them. I'm just kind of waiting until they give you the option of both, because I don't want to ever give up my $10 bag because it's my favorite. Like, seriously, like, this is one of my all-time favorite subscriptions. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you're having a fabulous day. Thank you for unbagging with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.